Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best tire companies using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So for our targeting, I'm going to select small businesses, and I am going with the entire state of South Carolina today. It isn't. Oh, whoops. Let me re-enter this. I feel like there isn't a big enough metropolitan area in South Carolina, which is why I'm choosing the whole state. It just won't let me target it, I guess. South Carolina. Okay, we're gonna leave it. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. We are looking for tire. I'm just gonna put tire and see what comes up. Tire, maybe manufacturing. Yes, sweet. So I am going to add this, and I'm gonna go next. I'm going to do key decision makers. I want owners and founders, and I want directors and executives. Um, Maybe instead of tire manufacturing, we're just gonna leave it as a general tire because you might want like tire changing companies, like not necessarily mechanics, but like specifically like tire changing services. So or you could want tire manufacturers. There's kind of like wide variety, with this search term. But I'm gonna add that we are looking for owners and founders, and we're also looking for directors and executives. So we are looking for one owner, but they might have a C-suite title, so it'll cover for that case. Um, for filters today, we are looking at this more from like a sales. Like I have a product that I want to sell to these people, so I'm gonna use my sales filters today. So the first one I like to do is revenue. We want the minimum revenue to be 500K. That'll basically just baseline, remove any companies that aren't really in the market position to buy like a business related product. So I'm gonna hit next. Filter. We're also going to do date established. I do not want any tire companies that were founded after, let's say 2015. Give it 10 years. I want the companies I work with to have some sort of like longevity, like they've been around. Maturity is the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna hit next, lock that in, and now we're gonna go to our deliver points. I am going to select pretty much all my metrics except for direct dial, as you are getting verified emails here, so there's no point to really selecting direct dial. um, Here, I'm gonna just remove the direct dial. And yeah, so a couple of metrics to point out here. To basically take your 100 good leads to 100 great leads, you really want to look at um basically your revenue, headcount, data established. I feel like manufacturing companies don't really care a lot about the marketing side of things, but if it is like a tire service company, then they would care a lot more about this marketing stuff. Or sorry, these marketing metrics. So yeah, honestly, there's a lot of useful metrics in here, and you can use these again to take your, you know, list of a good 100 leads to 20 great leads that you can specifically reach out to, and put effort into the email you're crafting, and the sort of like first contact with the company. So I'm gonna hit next, lock that in. I'm gonna finish with the additional points, or we're not gonna add any additional notes. Make sure to give your task a title, to set your context required, and to save a draft before you launch it, like I just did. So the reason I do that is, if I launch it and I want to cancel it to go back and change something, I'm not starting from scratch. And with that being said, I'm going to launch this task. Tire companies in South Carolina. It's allocating, which means that your lead sheet will be ready within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best tire companies using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.